What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. My name is Ty, and today I'm going to take some photos of the M6 with my buddy Matt. He's a professional photographer, and I'll introduce him once he shows up. But yeah, so I'm taking the M6 out. It's all clean. I washed it yesterday. I got to remove my winter cover from the trunk because it's no longer going to be needing that, so I'm going to do that really quick. One quick pro tip before I do anything else would be to bring a microfiber towel on your photo shoot, as well as some sort of product to wipe down your car if you hit bugs on the way there or anything like that. Just nice to have. And so I'm going to throw some towels in my trunk and we'll get going. I found the Matt and the Mustang.
It's me.
It's him.
I'm taking
Matt,
photos of
really
the car.
quickly, plug your stuff.
Hold on.
Instagram, Twitch.
I stream on twitch.tv/M000T, and then my Instagram is matt.marcu, M-A-R-C-U, the best photographer in the world.
And what do you normally shoot?
Cars, people. Well, that sounds bad, to shoot cars and people.
Yeah, you
I like take photos of cars and people.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Formula Drift?
Yeah.
And Grid Life promo stuff.
Yeah, Michelin. Worked with Michelin. That was
Nice.
cool. Race service. That was cool.
Yeah.
That was all that.
So that's
fun
Matt.
stuff.
He's gonna take pictures of the car.
Yep.
Right now we're in the driveway because it's got cool background. And then we're gonna go to the local park and find some spots there maybe and go ripping around. So hanging out. Maybe we'll have some pro tips along the way. He can't give away all his secrets, but I'll pry some of them from him just for you guys. Spot one, Airport Road. Airport hangars behind us. And over there is the tower. And wow, it is echoey over here. That's kind of weird.
Echoey?
Echo!
Echo. Echo, echo, echo.
Matt's doing his thing.
Echo, echo.
Depending on when Matt gets these photos done, I'll throw them in the video over top of where we're at. That way you can see what we're actually shooting. But otherwise, you can catch them on my Instagram, LifeWithTyM6, LWT_M6, on the screen right now. Go hit that follow button and you can see all of the pictures over there.
Oh, I'm doing a new method that I learned where you stitch like 40 photos together and to get one photo, and you basically get like a ton of depth of field, a crap ton of depth of field. And yeah, I don't know, it just looks sick. So we're gonna do that.
Sweet.
And that's what I'm doing.
And 5D?
5D Mark III, baby. Only camera I'll ever use.
At the 135?
135 f2 with and then another 5D Mark III with a 35 1.4 version 2. So I've got the beans with me today.
Sounds good to me. I don't really. Yeah. So my least favorite part of photo shoots, by far, is when you have to get in your car and move it a zillion times. So that they can get their shots. I don't know if I'm even bright right now, but he's over there doing his thing, and I'm in here just moving the car a gazillion times so that he can get the right shot. Oh, he's going for another one. Uh-oh. Location 2, Matt and I have ventured to this. I think it's pretty sick. To this section of the park. And we don't have the lighting we wanted, but it's pretty solid. I mean, it's cool. It's like a tunnel of trees. So we're gonna do some photos here, and then I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us.
You just gotta trust. You just gotta trust.
Bro, that was absurd.
You just gotta trust me.
What are we looking at?
Look at that bokeh. Look at that
Those are gonna be
bokeh.
sweet. Matt's shooting a zillion pictures at a time so we can stitch them all together in the magical Photoshop / Lightroom, and then we'll have super banger photos. Super banger photos. Matt's in the zone. You could almost say he's auto zone. B-roll done, photos pretty much done, and then we're gonna leave because there's been about 3,000 million people here today, and it's really annoying. So we're getting the photos we can in this glorious spot, and then we'll be bouncing out of here soon. That's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Plenty of content coming. That is Matt, who is my photographer buddy. You can follow him on all of his social media stuff. I'll have it up on the screen and in the description below. Hopefully you saw some cool stuff. Hopefully you learned a few tips and tricks, and I will catch you guys in the next video.